Sorry. So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today I'm going to do unboxing of my materials that I will be using in my next return demonstration. So pasensya na kayo if medyo maingay yung background because I am filming this at 11:43 p.m. So I have here 4 plastics. So, isa-isahin natin sila. So, first is this one. So, this materials came from my school. So, I ordered it from our school. I have here first the tarpaulin of the abdominal area. So, next is this suture silk, and here also soft silk. Next is this lab gown. Next, 60 ml bulb syringe. Dalawa to eh. Next is this 5 ml syringe. So this one 3 and this one 3. Oh, this one is our needle. Here also I have 5 ml. 1 ml syringe. This one 3 ml. 3 ml. Then our cup. So patient's bond. Lubricating jelly. These are 3 vials. Ito yung isa. This is vitamin C, ascorbic acid. Then, ampule. Sorry, ampule. This one is the vial. Okay. Here. And this one. Then our measuring cup. So I also have here our sodium chloride. It says this one is gauze. And next is sterile gloves. Yay! I love this part. So this is my gown. This is from our school. Okay. Need to try this on. So I will be right back. Hello, I am your nurse. Sorry. Let's remove the cup. Remove the cup. So now let's move on to our next plastic. So, our next plastic, tela lang to siya, guys. Okay, this is, I will be using this as drapes. Or drapes. Towels as well. So, that's it for my second plastic. So, next, this one. This is from my cousin because she works at the hospital. So, para makatipid. So, here, I have 2 surgical gloves. Very essential. Gauze pads. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this one is oxygen cannula. So, this is for child. Wala silang adult. So, this is okay. So, that's it for my third plastic. So, let's move on to our last plastic. So, I ordered this at Shopee. 1,000 plus. This must be worth it. Another plastic. Bubble wrap. So, ito, kanina lang to siya guys dumating and I've been waiting this actually only for 3 days. Ang bilis nga ma-ship eh. So, I'm very excited. Sirain na natin. So, first, nasira yung plastic. Yan. Here it is. First, surgical scrub brush. Ayan, brush. Next, alcohol swabs. Pen light. So, may pen light na ako dati, but nasira siya. So, I ordered again from Shopee. So, this is my blade and my tourniquet. So, ito talaga yung mahal sa lahat. Open this. Siguro mga 800 plus. Pero, okay naman siya kasi madami ng laman. It has 16 yung minor kits na instruments. So, we have here Kelly forceps, straight and curve, needle holder, ayan, mosquito forceps, and all that. So, let's open. Excited na ako. So, parang may box din to sa loob. Yung parang lalagyan. Yung bag. Bag pala, bag. Dun, dun. Drum roll, please. Ito siya. Wala na, wala. Ito siya. Wala. Sira. Char. Sandali. Ayusin natin. Shopee, ha? Ba't ka naman, Shopee, ha? Ha? Ayan. Maayos. Akala ko maayos na. Wait. Ayusin natin talaga. Yung maayos na maayos na maayos. Ayan. Actually, meron na akong mga Kelly forceps like straight, curve. Meron na rin akong bandage scissor. Pero parang, ito kasi kompleto talaga siya, guys. So, may blade handle, then needle holder, yung mga tissue forceps, yan. Meron akong mga Kelly curve, Kelly straight. But, ayan, very essential. Pero ang pangit man kanina ng packaging. Nasira. So, that's it for my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. Bye!